Hey, to find a book in Sora, you go to the Explore tab, which looks like binoculars here. You can start searching a book, or you can browse some of our collections. This one is Brooklyn Tech New and Notable. If you don't see this near the top, you might still be looking at the middle school collections that you have. You can also look for collections here. You can start filtering here by audience. So if I want to look at only young adult books, or only adult books, those are two options that you have. If I go into a collection or I search a term up here at the top, I can then filter by popularity at all schools, release date, not quite the same as copyright date, title. These are things that I can make my search easier to find. I can also choose only ebooks or only audiobooks. You can also click on these at the top. You can control some of these. They stay the same until you search again, and you can reset them by clicking here.